Only not at create you let's be honest. Yeah, maybe would be one years. My main aim of doing this thing this way can't tell more belly. And go my phone here. This is the normal way the community switch. You're not what's the of creative. No, just let me be. Let me take my time. I'm going to be video can have one man. Combine two of you know go like changing canka and the more you send it. By the end of the day,
hello guys, welcome back to another one. This is Urbanized Media, and once again today, you know who we have here. A few months ago, we had him in the house, and now today we have him again. So I'm glad to welcome Eze Amonsu in the building today again. Eze Amonsu, you're welcome once again. So, but before we go on, I would like you to now tell your fans out there what this name Eze Amonsu really means, because people have been asking. That last time I went through the comment section and people were asking, Eze Amonsu, and all those kind of questions. So just tell us what inspired that name, how that name came about.
Okay. I'm also a fan. When you heard them,
I'm also fan of the
Eze Amonsu. Apart from your woman for herself, I think I come as Igbo.
Of course now.
But I prefer to be local. You understand? Afa bro mo anyelo actually ezi kolom mo nyem diafa. Me no nanko ezi kolom mo genyere gafa. So and diafa is quite yen because if you look at it on a normal sense, onwere ga say that of all the cameras out there is Nikon, Sony, Canon and the rest of them osige no phone. Ikwu enukwu an osige no phone. Egba ihu gba ya osige no phone. You make answer no kwani no osige no phone. Gwa no onwe brand ocho. That kind of thing. And then you take camera, you will not be feeling oppressed more no genanko. Obaraka now, because you know we fe ojimia. And that kind of psychic human being. Because you can so now I can fast the bro na mnyelo. Oh, is equal we nyemu diafa. Then with time, then I got an afa die. In a funa, the name came then after 3 months later. If you check my Facebook post, if Bazina, I was using that hashtag. I love the name. As a matter of fact, that's my official name now.
And for real, you are really Eze Amonsu when it comes to cinematography. And then you are doing all these things, making waves, using just mobile phone. Man, that's crazy. Like, I've not seen any mobile cinematographer that has gone this far, that has made this kind of waves you are making, just using phone. You know, you need the kudos for that. But really then, the reason for the day, Ọkụkọ Christmas. So, tell us about the project.
Okay, Ọkụkọ Christmas. Achọrọ m ịta mmụọ, so ka m bechala ya obere. Oh, story, Ebuka the story, content dibia. Then he called me one time, same 12. He was, maka Uno.
Okay.
FM family. So he was now saying that he go like do horror stuff, say horror. But I don't do horror. I'm only horror. I've never done horror in my life. This is my first time doing horror. Okay. So what if nife don't then say na yenke na come with on other yati nante. So you sometimes I will not understand until free go to the about will make sense. So obviously I will take the script in character Bible. From the character Bible I was able to tell that me broke so Nick was not just here shoot here or Nick, because Nick was the guy that shot Uno. So so we tell we for the year go serious. That's how we get there make it the thing. We made the film. So actually we gonna go money young Ọkụkọ Christmas. Number one, shooting the film alone has broken a lot of boundaries. Like a lot of record will break, if not 4 to 5 of it. I'm not know the year and I'm not know what they made before. See, oh, so the thing record will break, but I wouldn't like to bring them out until the film out.
Okay. On which platform can you release this movie, this Ọkụkọ Christmas? Which platform are you putting there?
Now YouTube.
YouTube.
Agunze TV.
Agụọcha TV.
Agụọcha, but I won't change them to Agunze TV now.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Ndebai, look out for Ọkụkọ Christmas, 21st of Christmas of December. Actually, on Agụọcha TV, Agunze TV.
Yes.
Agunze TV.
We're also doing screening Noka at Uncle Ruben.
Uncle
Ruben, if you take, and that's school zone. inside the fifty. Man, I go come knock for 4 years, but it's still direct. Once you reach that uni 6 gates, you go down. Just people on Ruben. We go do screening there. And me too, I'm planning a private screening too. It's okay, me. Hey, dear, mama,
But I would like to ask, the reason is we choose one also only phone. Can you use for your shooting?
Well, the reason is that let's be honest with ourselves. Let's Sony camera go phone. You go less, we less modern now. You go fake one, yeah. You go take fake here at 800,000. Phone be go come. So you just go lens, go card, go camera. All those, all the too much. But that is not the actual reason. The reason is that you know my phone don't only name here. And let's be honest with ourselves. The reason why people kind of create rule is that another person will disobey the rule. When they don't create you, let's be honest. Yeah, maybe will they be one year. So I just learned the rule so I can disobey the rule. Like I told them that my main aim of doing this thing this way. Even while we were on set, I had a little twist of sick with someone. I told this guy, now don't beat that way. If you watch it in your phone, you will not believe that if from the teasers in our phone, I'm the one cutting it. You got money, yeah, baraka. When you fully, I'm came messy. Ebuka send their own voice note. Someone was screaming that if she was not on that set, no man put in a year before the age. Yes, now.
Wow.
Ogwaga going to global. Did you don't enter? So the thing is that, and they go my phone here. This is the normal way the community situation. You're not what's it up. Don't worry. This system. Let's have a mental shift. I mean, variety is the spice of life. Here, next to about so I had to coach it in a year before. And they shoot. It's not okay. Normal master medium shot. I don't take it that. Check you of a Qatar for normal destiny on normal Nollywood. No. Even before this film, I watched not less than about 12 to 13 films, so I can understand a lot of things. Then grab some. Even when we filmed this guy Clarence Peter, Inside Life, that was one of the films that must know my backbone on doing this. So I didn't just want to follow the rule. You know when your mate are doing follow them do is not for everybody. So I had to now switch. Bros here for I'm going to video can I 12 you know go like changing kanka this is my 9 years. Cannot
So from the few explanations now, I'm very sure that even I myself I've even gotten more interested in the movie, and I'm and people out there too. They can't wait to watch this movie you have talked about.
But if you I don't do mid.
Okay. This movie now is dropping on YouTube.
Yes, 21st.
So, do you intend to shoot Netflix and cinema movies in the future?
And you actually me for this year, no, I'm more. So, I can't what I did made that in Agaro. Actually, when came to be made this year, Ebuka is even aware of it. As equal more inform them. As a matter of fact, can't tell more Netflix, they are aware of that project. Wow. They are aware of it. So, Manandesli, Agali of Jimmy Adro, Simba can senataka. So, senataka, Ebuka way bonite. Simba no ketaka. So, that's one now, next month. Understand?
So, you make way with phone.
Next month or from the once the year is over.
No, I'm talking about like that Netflix movie now. Phone can you shoot?
Which phone now? Yes, now. Phone came from America, one of these top basketball of a guy. I'm with him produced one time. High flying bird. iPhone 8 gauge shoot here. I don't know about no that. Simba na mmeje kamalo ife work we eji ebunu webo. Check that thing. Onkwa also one scary film like that. iPhone XS mask organic age shoot here. Netflix so I want nka ya ga against me na nka ya ga iPhone me mo mmeje my Samsung represent.
What of in cinema? You go phone me in cinema.
Of course na ya me. Yes time go get take. Omo anoro m na igba ọsọ. The best alpha ma agbalo onwe m kita awu time. 12 you are not doing well, if you na-eme nwere isi oge nwe isi. No. Just let me be. Let me take my time. Kwado ife ofuma. All time ye ekwu. Mana okwe fo ma yemi ma mmụọ kwe o.
Of course. The two of or attend any film academy because with the level of professionalism in your display, when you do the things you do, people will be asking, which film academy can you attend? Or do you want this kind of skills?
I won't really say Nangal Film Academy. Can put Nanga in a street way. The first time I went on set on Nollywood was in 2013. Then along the line, mecha agbachalakwa break 2015, 2018 akọrọzie agbagote to 2021. Mgbe nje si ya halum ka njembe nke m. So I didn't attend any. I applied for one online. Ngo katia funa agwuma abro nke obi ise boy ihe de mba. Nke mo nke dị n'aka. So maybe nwere mass no aga mana bro na ngacha like that. But I'm not saying you should not go. Like I'm an advocate for like I keep saying, last interview I told you guys that ona nnọkịta azụ onye ọdịnala chọgoro ịbụ ọdịnala ga-agụ akwụkwọ ihe achọrọ educated elite achọrọ ndị iti. So I will tell you before you chọgoro ịbata gụọ akwụkwọ malụ nka you understand. Dibịa sị na amaghị ife paracetamol na-aghọgbu onwe ị ga-ama ebe a mala ebe a ka mmụta wee zuo oke ịnọla ebe at least achịkọta ya ọnụ onwe isi. So I won't really say na because na m agaro say because I'm your muse na ịma nga. Waiting for no kill me if you be say they wait for you. So I will just say I got them. I didn't really go. It's not a wasted investment. Of course. If I get a chance, I'll still go, sure.
So what it means is that now the 12 or so you as a person that has that passion to go into the cinematography, that you cannot go and learn it in the school and come out and still do fine. So that's now for me. But what's the biggest challenge you face ago doing this as a mobile cinematographer?
They are mistaking me for a TikToker. Imagine nigga on set, nigga shoot. If I start my setup, like yesterday I was in Delta State to shoot for one of my boss's son. Just my setup alone got the photographer, so like the guy was like, "Hello, bro, Alpha, what's up with you now?" That kind of thing. Before, if I come on set to shoot like that, and after time as content creator, TikTok, all those things, I think you must know from last year itself can be the
serious.
But can you maybe take them serious because all those were you need to. I don't explain myself. If you won't get into this thing, you go explain because except say you no get evidence. But now, if you check my track record now. Okay, if you check the number of clients who I don't work with, then people that can vouch for me out there, but we able about the whole of Southeast. I will still keep saying it about pride. More anyone I got as a mobile cinematographer, or more 12. Kagota, Kogalo, the videos timeless talk. It's an Obaka. Samsung Bata Southeast, Uro, but you know, I can fly to Lagos to go and see Samsung.
Wow. Are you with the likes of Obi Kubana in that event?
Yeah. Man. Even January was still meeting again for another this thing. Man, months now. Recently now.
Samsung event too.
No, event in January. Even at I was supposed to be there, but because the impromptu was too much, Manon Abuja didn't go. Even recently now, I now work with this guy, Kafia, B-Lord. Now that one is already out, but no in a Kunja way. The thing now for my manager called because actually if everybody be like that way now, so we can see the beer.
I'm come on at the two of them all these things based in Anambra State. Some people I'm with Agwana make a name. Lagos State. So why have you chosen to be in Anambra, doing it from Anambra State here?
The thing is that one day and I'll keep on holding on that until the lion learns to tell their story, the story of the hunt will forever favor the hunters. We need to learn to tell our own stories. I mean, Southeast as a whole. That now this film, I was meant to send a message to Nollywood, and number two, rewrite a narrative. Talking about rewriting a narrative, Melin Jibalo Madam Bon said, "See, when you're going to Dibia wona kusi okuoku on set. I'm the director of this film. You will write everybody Dibia no if I go again." Kedi ye na pakasele ya na remo Dibia na mwe Dibia ogu. Mwe Dibia nka afa, mwe nke na eme nkuzi. Already be on if you go yenzu. Already see me fin. How nya? You put in a casino.
My own that mindset.
Yes.
After one Dibia, no ya can zoom.
Dibia popular na familiars and the gods of our land. They make a gods of God of your. No, that's not how it's being done. If one knows a mama number on the mountain, you will never know. From the way I talk, the way I behave, you will never tell. Man, until you learn, you couldn't know name. So, edge go in Dibia good no other year. There are a lot of things. You understand? So a lot of narratives keep we see daily. Why did I base in Southeast? Ofu atu anada mo ebo awonanga. Na ni Igbo kita eje nota wine. O wenda na se dono nuno. Nda na gwado nuno. O mo awonda.
I know the reason how you don't know now.
Now, because if I don't sit back here, I mean, just this years Oka Newi as a whole has made a lot of young people come around to say, hey, but because of social reason, people are talking me that like me now, say me I get to even link up with person where Sabi Don Jazzy. Now through my students, the girl be no get also young on like you go. So we didn't done ever safe. Get you na bagos leba hegam. Ebu na go command million command kwalia. Let's institute our own now. Okay, na bagos leba here.
I always tell people, I always tell them by Ndibo. No one na buy at home, buy at home. I want money dozie. Sometimes when you go on maybe Twitter, Facebook, you know, yeah, I'm done on Lagos, man, then abroad. And they men on car. Just like yesterday, I posted some pictures from Aba Fashion Week.
I saw this.
Someone was now saying on Twitter, people should organize Newi motorcycle or something. You people. And the person who Newi call you people. Because that you people. So we need to build our hometown, our region. Nobody is going to do it for us. You understand? So that's the mentality that the young people of this age needs to buy into. So what next? What next are we expecting from the 12 studio after this Ọkụkọ Christmas project?
Well, I don't like to announce my move until I take it. And like no need to Ọkụkọ Christmas, yeah. Nobody gonna have about time. Even till now. But the thing be say I'm looking forward to doing a film. Can't go and this year until next year. That one is a very short film. But you're going to need to watch it like 2 to 3 times before you water the stuff. And then I know I'll be called out for it because we're going to say a lot of things in Busteleba that the present day Nigeria or the present day society does not agree with it. And the more you send it. But at the end of the day, so you understand? So, so the thing is, the society is going to fight against it. And then there is another one, about 2 of them. Film wise, then the other way around are just things I have with my students. And we don't give them back until the time is right. I think it's better we don't know what will happen.
So finally, what's that big dream you have always had as a mobile cinematographer? That thing that you want to like do, like keep as a legacy?
Just to be recognized by Samsung, and it has been done almost 3 years. I swear, too high. Just simple. And I'm like a stressful life. Just get recognized by Samsung. And it's already, I mean, Samsung knows I'm breathing. If I make posts, they react. Even Ọkụkọ Christmas, some of them commented on this stuff. And I'm like, wow, it shows you guys know I'm there. So just be recognized by Samsung. I'm happy about that. If Nigeria recognizes me finally, I can if they don't, back for me. That's just it. And I've done it. Almost 2 years now. I think I will tell people I'm living my life now to be to be a blessing to others. Everything set out to achieve, I don't achieve more. In the next I just alone go Benz, go Lexus. Time you go for now, those are not my priorities. My biggest thing, I've achieved it. Years now is just an extra. I'm not now, but I had about that high.
So the 12 studio, Mr. Uchenna Udechukwu, thank you for coming around once again. And we are looking up to that Ọkụkọ Christmas, that project. 21st of December. Guys.
Sabi girl is next. Sabi que é um de filho. E sabe qual é o nome?